guys, and today I'm going to show you my room in Queen's accommodation. I was busy all day cleaning my room, so now I'm not embarrassed to do that. So yeah, let's have a look. So I'll start with this mirror. It's really convenient, like it's full length. You can see everything and it's really nice to like see what your outfit look like and everything. Then this is the door. There is like this kind of lock. It's really simple to use. This is unlocked, this is locked. Yeah. Then here is like the whole bedroom. So for example, in this area you can do some workouts or whatever. Here, this is very useful as well. We've got like these hooks, and you can see like I've got a lot of coats on it, and you know, it's really comfortable. Then, oh my god, this is a lifesaver. So basically, I was really happy when I saw this wardrobe, because it's literally massive. I can hide in there and it's really useful, like you will see. So here you go. We've got like, you can hang your clothes in here. So there is a space like for clothes that has to be hanged. Then here is like a shelf. It's really deep, like you can see. I don't know, I'll try to show you. Yeah, I still got some space, but because I'm a bit small, I can't reach there. So yeah, then space in here. So here is my bed. It's a single bed, so if you're buying bedding, just know that it's a single bed. And here you can see, like there is a lot of space for your stuff. Like I usually put some suitcases or just like stuff that I don't really want to see like in my room, so I just hide it there. So this I bought it myself because I wanted all of my shoes to be organized. So this is like a plain shelf. You can buy it, I don't know, maybe IKEA. Yeah, and you can see that it fits like really nice in the room. In the you know, there is still a lot of space. So yeah. Here is a huge desk, which is a priority of being in Queen's accommodation. And then we've got like these shelves. They're really nice for like, I saw some people using them even for their clothes. I personally use them for like books, some stuff like pictures with my friends, or some like accessories, you know. We've got these shelves as well. So I use them for clothes. They are really deep as well, so you can fit a lot in there. We've got this bin, and then so here is the like bedstand table. Then over here we've got some shelves for your use. I don't know, maybe you will use them for like books and everything. So for example, I use them for notebooks and just like some accessories. Yeah, then let's move on to the bathroom. It's literally, I don't know, it's a heaven that I've got my own bathroom, because I literally can't imagine myself sharing with somebody, you know. And so here is an ensuite bathroom. Here you go. We've got some shelves for your stuff, for like skincare, hair care. Then this is the sink. You can use this for your towel. There is a hook as well, 2 hooks actually, for some towels, or I use it for the robe. Yeah, and a really like spacey shower as well. So here is the shower itself. It is adjustable, like you can put whatever you like wherever you want here and just adjust it for yourself. So here is one of the few versions of Queen's accommodation kitchens. As you can see, it's pretty big, and I share it with 6 other people from my flat. Here is the area where we cook. We've got 2 fridges, an oven, a stove, microwave, toaster, and also a kettle. As it's 7 of us in the flat, it's useful that we have a double sink. Same as in our rooms, we have a large pinboard in the kitchen with various useful information on things like bin rota, cleaning rota, some announcements, and a calendar that our flat uses as birthdays calendar. So here is our dining zone where we can sit and have a dinner together with my flatmates. We also have some sofas over here just to sit down. And moving to my cupboard. So here is my cupboard, and as you can see, it's very spacious and you can fit a lot of stuff in here. As you can see, some of my flatmates also brought some air fryers for more convenience. And here we have different bins for food disposals, general waste and recycling. We also have a Hoover, an iron board and an iron, and we also have some sockets in different places for them. Hope I helped you to better understand Queen's accommodation, and maybe I'll see you next time on campus.